Okay, something I thought I'd share with you today. Sometimes you have to sort of remember how privileged we are to work in the industry. We road test these cars all the time, so I thought I'd share this one with you. Special car, 288 GTO. Launched in about 1984 at the Geneva Motor Show. They built 272 of these. There was rumours of another one for Niki Lauda at the end. Either way, they're extremely rare. Iconic car of the 80s. I think they were about £73,000 new, which was all the money, and you certainly had to be a special client to get one of these. This one's just had cam belts and a service, so we're just going to run it around the block, and I'll share this with you. Okay, so inside the car, really nice cockpit on the 288s, really comfy seats, they really fit you. A lot more easier to live with than the F40, a lot easier to get in and out. Really nice cars. We've done our pre-flight checks before we go out in any car. All the wheels have been done, tyres, oil levels and everything have all been done. So to start these, always love a car with a push button start. There's something about an event when you push a button and things happen. And you can hear this car's got the optional Answer exhaust, so it makes a really nice noise, this one. Okay, just pulling out onto the road gently, just letting things warm up gently. We all know second gear's a little bit tight as these cars warm up. Just double checking all our gauges. We've got the ones we need, we've got our oil pressure, we've got our boost gauge, our rev counter. Just keeping on, getting a feel for the car. Just let it warm up gently. And again, these cars surprisingly docile, low down, very easy to live with. It's not all about going fast and furious. Again, very comfortable. This car's got the air conditioning option. There was really only two options with 288s. You've got electric windows, which this one has got, and you've got air conditioning, which this one has got. And that was pretty much it. Okay, things starting to warm up now. We've got a little bit of water temperature in it. The oil temperature will come up soon. And the beautiful noise. Better way to spend a Friday morning in England, eh? Sun's out, so you can't take for granted how privileged we are to drive these cars. This is a special thing. Even though I've been doing this for 40 years, it's still a good part of the job. Coming in, not as brutal as the F40 on the boost on these. A lot easier to live with. The F40s come in with quite a wallop, and you have to concentrate. These are a little bit more subtle, much easier to live with. But you can't deny when it comes in, what a spectacular car these are. One of my all-time favourites. So you can hear the Answer exhaust. Squeeze them gently to get this growing surge of power. Fantastic cars. Okay, so here we are back from road test. What we generally do now, we just let the car cool down, especially with the turbo cars, but we haven't driven this one hard today. Let the thing cool down, we recheck the levels, let the coolant come up to temperature, make sure the fan's all cut in properly and it doesn't overheat, make sure